Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Acura NSX versus M5. The Acura NSX stands out as a sophisticated mid-engine hybrid supercar, engineered for precision and exhilarating performance. In contrast, the BMW M5 is a powerful front-engine luxury sedan, blending high-speed capability with everyday practicality. Your choice depends on whether you prioritize a dedicated sports car experience or a versatile, high-performance daily driver. The NSX boasts a hybrid powertrain, offering immediate torque and razor-sharp handling, making it a true track weapon. Its advanced all-wheel drive system enhances grip and agility. The M5, with its robust V8 engine, delivers immense power and a thrilling exhaust note, often featuring an intelligent all-wheel drive system that can be rear-biased. It provides a more comfortable ride while still being incredibly fast. When it comes to practicality, the M5 shines with its four-door configuration, comfortably seating 5 passengers and offering generous trunk space for luggage or groceries. It's designed to be a high-performance car you can genuinely use every day. The NSX, however, is a two-seater with limited storage, focusing purely on the driving experience rather than utility. It's more of a weekend or special occasion vehicle. Ultimately, choosing between the NSX and the M5 comes down to your personal driving philosophy and needs. If you crave a pure, exotic supercar experience for spirited drives and track days, the NSX is your pick. If you desire a luxurious, incredibly fast sedan that can handle family duties and long commutes with ease, the M5 is the better fit. Both offer exceptional performance for their respective segments. Be sure to check the description for a link to those meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.